I don't wanna give you the wrong impression. I need love and affection. And I hope I'm not sounding too desperate. I need love and affection. Love, 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 love and affection. Love, love, L-O-V-E and affection.
Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging.
Today is Wednesday and it is 8:09 a.m. I am about to start getting ready. I have to leave the house for like 9, maybe earlier, so I actually gotta hurry up. But we have an exciting day today. I'm actually going to an influencer event with my little sister. I'm gonna be setting up my phone because I'm gonna be filming for TikTok. I'm getting ready today. This is how I set up my TikToks. I just have my little tripod on my table, put my phone on it, I film on my back camera, and then I just take my mirror, just make sure I'm in frame. Ooh, and then I just click the side button to start recording. Today I'm taking my little sister to an influencer event with me. I'm excited, so let's get cute. I love these little Innisfree vitamin C pads. I actually feel like my face looks dewy all throughout the day. We're just gonna fan this in. This just feels so relaxing. And now we're just gonna moisturize. Let's do this hair. But yeah guys, today I got invited to an event with Nyx. Love me some Nyx. I use their eyebrow pencil every day and I've been using it for years. But also aside from that, we used to go on like girls dates all the time, and one of our dates was always a trip to Nyx. Every couple of months we would drive to Square One because that's where they have an actual Nyx store, and we would just stock up on different Nyx butter glosses. Those were literally our favorites. And now I'm being invited to go to an event with Nyx. This event is going to be at the Eaton Center, so we're going downtown this morning. And then since we're going downtown, we're just gonna make it a bit of a day. So after we go to the event, we're gonna go and get brunch after. We'll see what the vibes are. I'm actually vlogging today, so subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see what we get into. Now let's move on to the face. I was just about to say I'm not gonna do too much, but this is like a makeup event, so maybe I should do a little more than I think I should do. This is my OG. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I need my brows to look the most like twins as possible today because this event is for their brow products. But if you guys also want to experience a bit of this event, it does open to the public. I'll put all the information in the comments, so go take a look if you want to go to this event. But yeah, I need these brows to eat. Now let's move on to the face, but I'm gonna play some music. This e.l.f. blush, Bold Face Lilac. This is the blush that I use every time I'm doing my JT lip combo because it just complements the lips so perfectly. I just had to go and take a quick Advil because it's that time of the month, and if I don't take one now, my cramps are gonna end up killing me at this event and I will be miserable. I'm literally one of those girls that like time my Advils. I'm like, okay, I know it lasts like 4 to 5 hours, so I need to take one before the other one wears off or else I literally will not be okay. An Advil for me takes so long to kick in. Like I could take an Advil and my cramps won't stop for like another hour, hour and a half. Is that just me? I need to hurry up and get dressed. I'm so excited for my outfit today. It's so cute. Okay, the lip looks super bright right now, but it'll die down. And either way, she's still cute. Here's the hair, here's the makeup. Come to part 2 to see the outfit because it's too cute. We're going to an event with Nyx tonight. Tonight, it's literally 9 a.m. We're going to an event with Nyx today, so let's get dressed. I'm so excited about this outfit because it's so cute. You would have seen it if you watched my 1 shoe 5 outfits video on my YouTube channel, but we're actually gonna get to wear it out today, so I'm excited. This is the top we're wearing today. This is from Garage. Also, I just did my hair and makeup in part 1. If you guys didn't go see that, you should definitely go watch it because this is part 2. We're wearing stockings today, so let me put these on. And we're also gonna be wearing my new skirt. So this is from Oak and Fort. This is the look. Here's the outfit. Too cute. These are the earrings we're switching it out for. Scent for the day is Cloud by Ariana Grande. This is like my everyday scent. It's the perfect amount of like clean, but a little sweet, a little fruity. Love her. And then for the jacket, we have this green trench coat, which is from Dynamite. We're wearing this to give, you know, the legs some warmth. Also to add some color. Lastly, to finish off the outfit, we're wearing my little knee-high pointy boots. My purse that I wear every day of my life, pretty much. And here's the look for the event. What do you guys think? Anyways, I gotta go. So I'll see you guys there. Bye. It's 9:01. We literally have to go to put my lip combo in my purse and my wallet. Okay. Guys, look at the state that I'm leaving my desk in. I hate leaving my room with my space messy, but I literally just don't have time right now. But here's the look. Aren't I cute? Okay, let's turn off all these lights and let's get out of here. I'll see you guys on the road.
Living a fantasy, I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy, the ladies as pimps tonight. Living inside a dream, I say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my.
Guys, we just made it to Eaton Center. I see the event already. It's kind of just like a little booth in the middle of the mall. It's bright pink. We couldn't miss it, but let's go to the event. Let's see what it's giving.
Mama, oh my good, I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
You ready? Oh, gorgeous girl.
I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she's no good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game goes stupid, stepping like a toothpick. Man, to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
We just left the Nyx event. Now we're gonna take some pictures for Instagram because I look too cute. How's the lighting? Guys, now we're out for a little sisters brunch. It's 12:07 now, and we came to the morning after. Looking at the menu. I'm pretty sure we're both about to get chicken and waffles right now. We're just looking at the menu just to look at the menu. Let's see if there's anything else we see that we'd want. It's like I could get regular eggs, home fries, and toast.
Yeah.
What do I want that right now? I don't know if they have lunch here.
I know. Mac and cheese.
Chicken wings.
Someone sent me a TikTok like a couple weeks ago talking about some only young hoes order strawberry lemonade at restaurants because that's what I order every time we go out to a restaurant. I'm like, and then Shada, I don't remember who sent it to Shada, but Shada seen a TikTok and I was like, only young hoes cook everything on high. And I'm like, that.
I heard someone like listing off a bunch of them, and one of them was that. One was like, young hoes wash everything in one load, no matter the color. And
Okay, that's
I
crazy.
was like, not the whites.
Yeah.
Everything else will go in there, but not
Yeah,
the whites.
look, sometimes when I forget to put the colors in the black or black in there, like, you know?
Yeah, it's going in.
It's gonna go in. But white is a non-negotiable. White is white. So cutesy.
Men's are here. I know it is cute. This is just a strawberry lemonade with Sprite. It's not actually on the menu, they just made it for us. But cute. Cheers.
Woo. I like it though, it's like fruity.
Yeah.
It's
It
like a
makes your
smoothie.
cheeks do that. Like my mouth is watered now.
Yeah, it tastes like a lemon smoothie, like a lemon strawberry smoothie.
It's good.
Yeah, I like it.
Very flavorful. Just waiting for our food.
Ever since you told me to blend my lip liner, like, wait, my lip look is and there's nothing to it. It's just like a sheer pinky lip
What,
gloss.
like when I say it's like to cold your lips?
Yeah, because remember when I said like I'll blend it, but like then my whole lip is just brown.
Oh, because you like
Because I'm like
rub your whole lips together. Yeah, it's got to do a little lip fold.
yeah. And ever since I started doing that, and I found the lip gloss that looks good, I'm like, my lip gloss is actually cute.
Yeah, it's cute. I didn't know people like didn't know about that.
I always thought I had a harsh line, but I'm like, I don't know. Is this what it's supposed to look like?
I think that even happened to mom once, and I was like, no, you have to like just fold your lips. I'm like, don't rub it, because then it all just blends in together.
Yeah.
Because I think she was trying to copy mine one time, and she's like, but mine just turned brown. And I was like, did you rub your lips together? She's like, yeah. I'm like, yeah, you can't do that.
It makes so much sense.
This is actually really good. The first sip felt like, wow, but this is good now. Wait, can I get a boomerang? Cheers. Yeah. And
So I'm gonna go.
go. That works. Yep.
This is not the universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. Stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise.
Guys, I'm home. We got home at like 2:30, and honestly, you know, after being outside, and sometimes you feel like you just have to come home and just lay in bed and do nothing for a little bit, because that's the vibe. That's what I'm feeling right now. I feel like I just need to rot in my bed for a little bit before I get up and start doing all the other things I plan to do today. Also, I feel like my cramps are kicking back in. I took an Advil this morning while I was getting ready, because I'm like, I don't have time for cramps. While I chill during my little rotting time, I want to go shopping. I want to take myself shopping so bad right now, but I'm gonna tell you guys my shopping dilemmas that literally are such a minuscule issue, but I'm just gonna say them anyways. I want to go shopping, but I'm like, it's February, so it's still freezing, it's still snowy and cold outside, but I'm like, I shouldn't buy more winter clothes. I should buy clothes for the springtime. But then it's like, I'm gonna buy all these clothes and I'm gonna be happy that I have clothes, but then am I gonna be as happy because I can't wear the clothes until it actually gets warm outside? So I don't know if that's really gonna scratch the shopping itch that I have, but maybe, because I just like new things and I love clothes and I just love to shop. But yeah, so there's that. And then also, I feel like I just need to actually go outside. It's like I'm complaining that it's cold. I'm like, I don't leave the house because it's cold and I'm not trying to do anything in the winter. But then when summertime comes, I also don't really do anything. But I don't do anything because I don't have friends. I feel like I need people to do things with so that I'm actually wearing the clothes that I buy. You know? So like, I don't know, what the heck do people do outside? What is there to do outside? I heard people saying like, we are the new adults. So it's like, oh, like why is no one having backyard barbecues anymore? Apparently we're supposed to be the ones having and hosting these backyard barbecues. That sounds like a lot for me, but like someone host a backyard barbecue and invite me. Anyways, in my little chill time, my lay in bed time before I get up and do things I have to do, I'm going to online shop. I'm gonna go on Pinterest, see what I want my like outfit or like fashion vibe to be this summer, and then start looking for clothes that match that. Looking for what pieces I need, what additional pieces I need in my closet for that vibe. You know, my next video will be a week in my life. That'll be next week's video. You get a little sneak peek into next week's video. I think I'm gonna go to the mall in that video, do a little bit of shopping. But yeah, anyways, my camera battery is dying anyways, so I'm just gonna chill and I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Guys, I'm back up. I'm alive. Cramps have subsided. Advil kicked in. Anyways, now we're cooking. I have to make my lunches for tomorrow. I'm also hungry right now. So we got some chicken wings and then we have some salmon that I'm gonna season and prep. guys, this is also the fruit lineup for the week. We got some strawberries, we got grapes, we got a pomegranate. I've never bought a full pomegranate before. I bought like the seeds, like already de-seeded, but this is gonna be my first time dealing with that. And I got 2 mangoes, so let's chop these up. So this one is giving, and here's the after. Hold on, let me get the light on this. Period. Wow, everything looks so good. I have to get it looking all aesthetic because I want to take a picture. Oh. Now I need to actually separate this into like containers. I'm tired of having this makeup on my face. I'm ready to wash this off. Last time you guys saw me, I was making my dinner / lunch and prepping all my fruit. Now it's literally 10:20 p.m. and it's like I ate. I had my little drinky drink. A little Smirnoff Ice is my favorite, my go-to. But I've just been chilling in my bed. I've been watching Monet's old vlogs, literally from like 3-4 years ago. I've been playing a little game on my phone. Guys, when I was chilling earlier, I was on Garage's website. And why do I have a $400 Garage cart now? Who's checking that out? That was not the attention. Also, I don't know why my hair is still in this thing, but it is busting my head at this point. Okay, I had a to-do list of things I had to do today. Let's see what I did and didn't get done. So first was to vlog. I did vlog today. Hey! Filmed 2 TikToks. Well, technically 3. One of me doing my hair and makeup, one of my outfit, and then one of the Nyx event. I did all of those 3. I do have to edit all 3 of them now, but I'll probably edit them while I'm at work tomorrow. I did think the event was gonna be like bigger, more, you know, like not a pop-up in the middle of the mall type thing. Like I thought they're gonna have like an actual unit and maybe like some more activities to do while we were there. But you know, it was cool, and it's just nice going to the event to like, you know, have events to post, because I feel like the more events you go to, the more you get invited to. And I also have another event that I'm going to tomorrow, literally after work. This is the most events I've ever been invited to, like in such a short period of time. I'm like, okay, 2026 is starting off right. By the time you guys are watching this, the event has already passed like a week ago, and you would have already saw the content from the event if you follow me on Instagram and if you follow me on TikTok. But sometimes there's not a TikTok video, so if you don't see a TikTok video, it's because I only post it on my Instagram stories. So just follow me everywhere. Follow me on both. Anyways, the only thing on my to-do list that I did not do was take Instagram pictures. Tried to take some after leaving the event, but just the location where we were just not cute, and we were hungry. So I was like, we'll try to get them after. And we went out for brunch, and then we didn't end up taking them after brunch. So I didn't get my Instagram pictures, even though my outfit was so cute. Now I have to wear that outfit again so I could actually get pictures in it. And then the last thing on the list that I didn't get to do was edit my maintenance vlog. By the time you guys are seeing this, it was my last video. Damn, I just ranted for 15 minutes. Anyways, bye. I'm feeling so fresh and so clean. I'm in bed now. New PJs unlocked. These are my little striped PJs from Urban Planet, actually. Anyways, that's pretty much it for my day, guys. I have to remember to reset my alarm correctly for tomorrow before I end up waking up late. And I'm going to mentally think of, I'll probably check my notes, see what outfits I have written down to see what I'm gonna wear to this event after work tomorrow. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. I'll see you guys next Sunday with another new video. Bye.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging, and I go hard, that's why they keep talking. 3 years and I'm only just getting started.